Ang tangtingang dan, kakidang ba, sumadan, sabuyas mo na, sabuyas mo na, dalat na. I don't say goodbye before COVID-19. Then 2013.
2013? And yet you have not moved on? My gosh. Because it's your fault.
Did you live together?
Hugot.
Bakit na ba nagkita? Bakit pa nakilala?
Naglalakad tayo sa gitna ng what's this street? How much? 250. Gusto maubos yung bat ko. Bumalik na tayong hotel. Hi guys, good morning. So it's our third day. So we'll be going back to the Philippines because tomorrow papunta naman kaming UK. Huy! UK! Feeling? Hindi. Hanggang dito lang talaga ang budget namin. 3 days lang sa Thailand. O yun, huwag tayo mag-feeling mayaman dito. Opo, ayun lang.
Okay.
So we'll be eating our breakfast kasi libre, sayang, di ba? Tapos, diretso na kami
It's not really libre, but it's part of the
yeah, it's part of the package. Alright, fine. Magaling to sa mate kaysa sa akin. Ako kasi ganda lang talaga. Charot. So yun, papunta kami airport. Bye!